Alright guys, welcome back. So here I'm going to be doing a walk around of the Ducati V4s. I don't think we've ever done it in the channel. I'm going to show you what mods have been done to the Ducati V4s. And yeah, let's get to it. So there you have the Ducati V4s. Let me just give you a quick walk around so you guys get an idea of how she looks. Man, I love this bike. And if anyone's wondering, these are the Dynamoto wheel stands. Best thing you can honestly have in your garage. You can move, especially if you have more than one bike in your garage, or if you have tight spots, you can move your bike back and forth easy as possible. It's the best investment I've ever made for any of my bikes. Honestly, I love it. But let me keep showing you the bike around. Man, what a beast. Alright, I'm just going to go over a few mods that the bike has. It's pretty straightforward. It's your typical mods that you see a V4s has. So I'm just going to start from the back and make my way forward. Just to start back here, we have the NRC, so New Rage Cycles Fender Eliminator Kit. It's the best thing ever. Fits extremely well with the overall design of the bike. Extremely sleek, as you can see. It follows the line there. I love it, honestly. Best thing ever to eliminate that huge stock fender that comes from the factory. That's just terrible. Making my way here, we have our Ducati tank ribs, Ducati tank pad. It's a must-have. Because honestly, this paint, you can see even with the gloves, it's pretty slippery. So definitely good when you're taking your twisties. Here we have a CNC gas tank cap, quick release, extremely easy. Love it. Just turn this over and just take it off. Best thing ever. Making my way here to the front, we have our Ducati brake and clutch cylinder covers. We have a Ducati screen protector. Obviously you want to protect that screen, it's very expensive. We have bar end mirrors. This Ducati looks so much better without the mirrors in my honest opinion. So I went with the bar end mirrors, and then these weighted bar end are amazing. They're from Rhino Moto. Best thing ever. If you ever drive a Ducati, you'll know that you can feel the vibration of the bike a lot. And if you put these weighted, I have a loud car driving by. But if you put these weighted bar end, they just stop the vibration and it makes a bike feel that much more comfortable. Best thing ever to have. Making my way to the front, the best turn signals or mirror block off turn signals you can get for a Ducati are the Futurist Moto ones. These are honestly my favorite. They're super bright. Man, you can see this in the dark from very far away. Best thing ever. And then now, for the mods that really matter and are my favorite mods, would have to be the Austing Racing Exhaust. Man, look at that beast. Waited 6 months to get this exhaust. It was definitely worth the wait. You can see it there, it's just already blue. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. So this bike is currently tuned by Brent Tuning. I do have a Sprint air filter, well, race air filter as well. And man, she moves. She can get up there with the best, and I love it. And then last but not least, I do have the engine covers from GP Racing. I went with this one instead of the clear clutch cover. 1, because it was cheaper, and 2, because I like the all black. I wanted to add more black to the bike, as you can see. But there you have it. Those are the mods in the Ducati. Gotta have the twin turbo twin sticker, obviously. Let me know what you guys think of the bike, and let me know what other mods I should be doing in the near future. Ooh, one last mod I did forget. So here I went with some cheap Amazon radiator guards. Some people buy the evil ones that are worth like $150 or $140. I haven't checked in the last 3 months, but a must have. I went with the one from Amazon. They were only 40, 50 bucks at the time of purchase, and they do the job and work as well as the evil ones, in my honest opinion. Pretty easy to install if you're doing your exhaust install, but yeah. And there she is. Man, I love this bike. As always, guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button for the YouTube algorithm. We have a lot more content coming, so stay tuned. This is just a quick video just to show you one of our bikes and just to show you the mods that we have done to it. Catch you in the next one.